by which nature cloud computing can increase or decrease its resources. Elasticity. What is not fundamental duty? To vote in public elections. Last Charter Act concerning India was the Act of 1853. Which group of judges took interest in public interest litigation? Bhagavati and Krishna Iyer. Highest judicial authority of India is Supreme Court. Life history written by self is called autobiography. One who doesn't believe in God is called atheist. One who plays for pleasure, not for money. Amateur. Which disease is non-communicable? Diabetes. What does the wheel in the national flag represent? Truth. Constitution of India was framed by Constituent Assembly. Who was Saida Anwar Taimur? CM of Assam. Who was Janki Ramchandran? CM of Tamil Nadu. Where ward committee are found? Municipality. Which frog is most venomous? Golden poison dart frog. Indian National Congress is belonged to which political group? United Progressive Alliance or UPA. How many types of writs are there in Indian Constitution? 5. Right to constitutional remedy comes under fundamental rights. In the national flag, what shall be ratio of the width to the length? 2:3. The governor takes the oath of office by Chief Justice of High Court.